Okay, here I am. I have CS7 up. I will find my place that I use for the point of origin. Bring the machine in position. Click the lower right button on the 6-button keypad to accept that position as the point of origin. Here I have a pattern. I'm going to look at the size by right-clicking. See, my mouse is right there. Right-click. Click on View Properties. And it says the height is 7.5, and that's where I want it to be. Aspect ratio was on, so that means that the width is the correct number to correspond to the height. Save and close. Here I'm going to select the repeat patterns icon, and it says click a point using the head or the mouse. I will move the machine to the upper left corner of the quilt, place it there, click the lower right button. It has set the point, put one copy of the pattern on the screen. As you can see, I'm going to go over to the setup. Now I find it very easy to set up a project in 7.1 repeat patterns. I will make sure that I set in all of the numbers correctly as far as the total width and the total height. This quilt is 71 wide and 98 long. In the total width box, I will put 71. In the total height box. Now when I put that 71 in there, Creative Studio placed enough repeats to go from the left to the right, and it put it 71 inches. I'll go down to the total height box, select it, put in the total length, which is 98. Then when I put my mouse over here, it's going to put in the number of rows to correspond to the total height or the length of the quilt. I will click OK to accept that. Now my repeat patterns edge to edge project, it is set up. It is absolutely set up, and it's ready to stitch. Next, I will start to quilt. I have already stitched down the sides for the first 2 rows, basted it. Then the next step I will do will be to draw a boundary and to adjust my patterns.